Hey, AMG, I'm gonna stick it in. I'm gonna turn it. Okay, so we got a traffic assist not working. It says traffic sign assist inoperative. Parking lamp inoperative. Parking lamp inoperative. And that's it. That's the only things. That's the only damn things. Now, why is that the only damn things? Well, take your key, blah, blah, blah. Whee! Long way down. My baby's lovely gardening. My shit. Whoa, what the hell? Yeah, so all these sensors are hooked up. So we're getting very, very close on this bitch. I think it's actually, I guess there's some parking lamps. I mean, obviously we don't have a lamp over here. I do have one over here, but maybe there's another wire or something, or maybe you have to, I don't know. Anyways, it's getting very close. I'm excited.